Alright guys, so I'm going to show you here how to compress the IPv6 addresses for the Coursera course on the IT Google support certificate. Take a look here. Alright guys, so this is the IPv6 compression rules quiz from the Coursera course on the Google IT support certificate. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly compress the IPv6 addresses using their two basic rules. And the first rule is the leading zeros in a 16-bit section can be omitted. And the second rule is one or more consecutive sections of zeros can be represented with a double colon. So let me show you how it's done. In your case, you might be able to copy this and pass it here and then, do the modification. But in my case, it doesn't work for some reason. So I'll have to type everything in manually. But bear with me because we gonna, follow up with everything. So you should be able to do this by yourself. So let's get started. I'm gonna refresh this and restart. So this is what we have. So first of all, let's start from here, from the beginning. So this one remains the same. There's no zeros over there. The second one is the same. And these two zeros go away. So only we're going to use 4, 6. These 4 zeros will be 1, 0. And then we go with the full number. The next two zeros go away. And then this is a full number again. First zero goes away. Now let's check. And we have a go. Next one. Same thing. First zero goes away. The next one is a full character. This zero goes away. The next one is full. Again, nothing changes here. Nothing changes here. Nothing changes here. And nothing changes here. Gonna check this, go to next one. This one is a more interesting one. So first two zeros go away. And all these zeros are gonna be represented by a column. Now this one stays the same. First zero goes away. For this one, first zero goes away. And again, for this one, first zero goes away. Let's check this. Move to next one. Let's start with this. First one remains the same. This set, it's gonna be represented by a column. Next one stays the same. This one stays the same. And this one is a good example because you cannot omit this second set of zeros, consecutive zeros. So basically what you're going to do is just type in 1, 0. And again, a 0. And then the last one remains the same. Let's check this out and it's good. Next. The first one remains the same. Second, same. Again, this one is okay. This 0 goes away, and this 0 goes away, and this 0 goes away. So we have B8C, F6F, 4GF, 2804, 283D. Good. Next. First remains absolutely the same. These two zeros go away. This one remains the same. we have a 0 here. This one, it's okay. These two zeros go away. This 0 goes away. Let's check. Move to the next one. Again, following the same system. So first two 0 go away. This 0 goes away. This one is same. This 0 goes away. This 0 goes away. And everything else remains intact. Next, a few more examples. So the first, same. Everything stays exactly the same for now. And this one goes clean. You can compress this one from what I see. Let's check and move on. So two more examples. First, same. These 4 zeros are gonna be 1 0. 2 zeros goes away. This 1 0 goes away. This one is same. 2 zeros go away. And the last characters gonna remain the same. And the last one, the first is fine. These two consecutive zeros are gonna be replaced by 2 column. Now this one is same, and this following zeros gonna be replaced by 1 0, and the last characters are fine. And that's it, guys. Everything seems to be fine. And good luck. Hit the like button if you like the video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.